Alam mo ba na marami sa mga sobrang successful athletes and business persons ay nanggaling sa either super strict or neglectful childhoods? Kailangan nga bang masaktan para maging successful? Ang reality, while some kids thrive under pressure, others break. Dahil pushing too hard can create achievement-based people. I have to win to be loved or lead to narcissism. Special ako. Rules don't apply to me. Hanapin natin ang balance. Support without suffocation. First, let them try, then follow their lead. Second, encourage, don't demand. And third, let them fail safely. Kasi ang totoo, success isn't about how much we push. It's about how well we prepare them to push themselves. After all, the greatest gift isn't a trophy. It's a child who grows up feeling loved for who they are, hindi dahil kung ano ang na-achieve nila.